Hey folks, mild night across the valley. Temperatures are still in the 70s, even now. 72 at Port Isabel, 75 in McAllen, 71 both Harlingen and Weslaco. You saw Brownsville there at 72 degrees as well. Our lows tonight aren't going much of anywhere. If we get down to these numbers, we'll be lucky. A lot of the area probably staying closer to 70 with fog forming. We're seeing a little bit of it now, but it'll thicken up as the night goes on. And then tomorrow, we start with the fog, but once that sun comes out, look at our highs. 90 plus in Hidalgo and Starr counties, close to 90 in Cameron and Willacy counties, and then the beach, of course, cooler at about 77 degrees. It looks like a very warm day, and Wednesday looks even warmer. Look at that, 92, and then a weak front comes in on Thursday, and with that front, we drop 10 to 12 degrees, but we're still almost 10 degrees above normal, and then we warm up from there. By the time we get to the weekend, we're looking at upper 80s again, perhaps 90. And then another front on Monday. This one looks at this point a little stronger, but we've seen fronts 7 days out look strong, and we get closer to it, they lose their strength. So we'll see if we can hang on to that. We also have a chance to rain with that front. Here's why. Front number one in the state now, cooling the western part of the state off a little bit. It gets to Texarkana to about a little bit west of San Antonio by tomorrow, and then it goes away. So we're very warm tomorrow. But another front comes in to replace that one. By Wednesday evening, another front from Dallas back to just south of Lubbock. That front will continue pushing southward. That's the one that comes in early in the morning on Thursday. So Thursday, yes, still warm, but not as warm. Instead of being 90 to 95, we're 78 to 83, something like that. So 10 to 12 degrees cooler behind that front. That front washes out down to the south of us, and as soon as that happens, the warm weather builds back in very quickly. So Friday, we're already starting the warming trend. Saturday and Sunday, very warm with temperatures back in the upper 80s again. But alas, here comes another front. This is Sunday evening. That front working its way across the state. That works in conjunction with this upper air low. When you see those guys this time of year, if it gets that far south, maybe even a little farther south than that, a front coming through, then you've got a chance at some rain. It looks like Monday we've got a decent shot at it, and the long-range models suggest that next week could be a wetter than normal week. Not cold, but at least a better chance for some rain. So Thursday with that first front, 10%, something like that, and then Monday, look at that, we're up to 60% for Monday, 7 days out. That's a pretty good shot at rain. So tonight, no rain, just clouds and fog. Fog in a few spots, a low of 66. Then tomorrow back up to 90. Some fog in the morning, but then some afternoon sunshine. Winds are kind of variable tomorrow. I think Wednesday's the hottest of the bunch at 92. A little bit of a drop for Thursday. We start all over. It's like pushing the reset button back to 88 for the weekend. And then we push the reset button again on Monday, courtesy of a front. It brings clouds, a few showers, and at least slightly cooler temperatures. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.